Guys, look at this food on top. Something so nice. Here I share with you how to make this delicious stir-fry fried rice that you can never get enough of. Adding some oil inside a pan, then adding this marinated beef. Over here I have already marinated beef. I'll just add everything inside the oil. I will stir that and get that fry until it fries so nice. Look at that, it's fried so nice. Guys, yeah, fried so nice. I'll just bring that out from the heat. I just like how this will get fried so nice. The same oil, I'll be adding this garlic. Next I'll be adding is this chopped onions. Then I'll be adding cabbage. Is this carrots. I'll give that very stir like this. Wow. Stir until everything get combined and fried so nice. Frying that for 5 minutes. It looks like this. So nice. I'm loving this already. Next is hot pepper. That is green chili. I will add in this already cooked white rice. To use this spices called fried rice mix. Then I'll be adding this soy sauce. Just adding the spices like this. Making adding the soy sauce. Add this some salt to taste and give it together, like stir it very well. Wow. It's going to be yummy-licious. And everything gets combined like this. Look at that. It's giving, guys. Is this green bell pepper? Just the green is okay. Get us stir together. We have stir. This is stir fry, guys. Everything have to be stirring. Your hand don't have to go fast from your pan. Just be stir frying like this. It's giving, guys. Just follow this process. You're going to love this food. So delicious. Beef. So this is the beef. I will add everything like this. Yeah. Get that stir together. Look at that. This one now woto style. Hey. Look at that. Look at that now. So simple and delicious. You got that go? You can never get enough of this rice at all. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Wow. Look at that. This food on top. Look at that. Just look at this fried rice, guys. You can never get enough of this. Oh my gosh. They're good, guys. Wow. So guys, let's test this amazing rice. It's going to be yummy-licious. The scent is so nice. I just like this spice that I use. Scent is so nice. So much water and like so nice. So guys, follow this process and get yours done. You are going to love it. Try to share in my next one. Bye.